Hey everyone, my name is Dr. Monroe Man with Break Diving, and I'm going to spend 10 minutes with you going over the very basic features so that you know what to do during your first week so you can become an awesome, inspiring, motivated member of our community. So, first of all, welcome aboard. Second, I'm going to share my screen. And this is our YouTube channel. So what I want you to just see is when you join here, the two main screens are your profile, which you can find here. If you click on profile, you can see all these things here, and you can see all these things for other members too. So you can see your posts. All of these are the posts I made. These are all my comments. Here's my bio and life dreams, goals, etc. And my success journal here. And points, how many points I've made. And some of the features aren't yet working yet. We're working on them. We'll have them going by the end of this year or in early 2021. So anyway, you can go to here and read all about your stuff and about other members. If you need to edit your profile, you can click down here, edit profile. If you need to change your name or your password, go up here to account settings. So the other main page is the home page. You can click here or up here. And the homepage, you can see it's got upcoming live events. This is one of our main things. We have live events. We start off in the live chat rooms, and then we end up on Zoom on our video meetings. And we would love you to come sign up. Lots of different subjects to choose from. You can click see full event list or click events up here. When you can make a new post, click new post, boom, and make a post. Make sure that you pick tags that actually make sense. Don't just randomly pick things, because then it's more work for us because we have to then change the tags and make them correct. And make sure you don't plagiarize. So we have this check mark here that's required. And then post it. When you post it, it's going to show up here. Here's some recent posts. You can see over here responses to my posts. So these are posts that I made or replies that I made that other people have replied to. This is your notification center. These are the recently certified dives in the community. These are the dives that you are pursuing. These are the ones I'm pursuing. Here's the leaderboard for the last 7 days. Good job, Shemaine. She's in #1 right now. You can scroll down, meet a break diver. And anyway, a whole bunch of other things you can just read down here. What do you want to do during your first week? #1, if you haven't, click on new post here or here and give an introduction. Make sure that you use the tag BD introduce yourself. Please do that. Thank you. And then once you've done that, just start scrolling through here and read the different posts and reply. How do you read something and reply? Let's just look at this here. You click on here. So here, Abu in Nigeria just posted something. And if you want to respond to this main post, just type right here. If you want to respond to someone's comment, like Shemaine's here in Zimbabwe, then click reply. So make sure if you're replying to a comment, you click reply. If you're replying to the main post, you click here. Some of the cool things, here we have something called hot topics. And hot topics are all of the messages that have had new comments in the last 10 days. So these are all posts that you have, that there's new material on that you can read. So you can go through all of this. And as we grow, this number is growing. So this is going to go more and more. It might be impossible to get through all of them, but there's always something to do. You can also click here on lonely posts. These are ones that don't have 3 comments. Notice, look, there's 2 replies, 1 reply, 1 reply. So always go here and try to answer these. You notice we don't have many because our members help one another. So, but always go here when you first log on, just click on lonely posts and see, is there anything that needs attention? Are there any members who need help? Next, regarding the dives, you can click here on dives. Click here, how to get certified. Read through this. It'll explain the whole process. We're going to go into that in more detail in another video, but all of these 6 links will give you basically all the information that you need. Regarding your first dives during your first week, you should go down here and click on dives and make sure you have some dives of interests. Then click go for it on 1 or 2 of them. Make your post in the community telling everyone about your dive, and then you're in active pursuit. How do you know if you are eligible to get certified? You notice I have some that are certified. You'll go up here to dive levels. We might be combining these soon, so it might not be exactly the same what you see, but it'll be self-explanatory. and then find out what it is. So let's say here, for ham radio operator, you have a technician license or comparable. Okay, great. If you've met those requirements and you have that in active pursuit. See, I don't have that dive in active pursuit here, so I'd have to go to add more dives, Glenkick, go for it and go here. Once you've met the criteria, click on submit dive certification and it brings up this page. And I'll go over this in more detail later, but then you fill all it out and you submit your dive certification. Next, chat rooms. Just click on chat, or you can click on chat here. It always takes you to the general chat room first. If there are new posts, you'll find that they're in bold. When you first join, you're only in this first chat room. So click on join a new chat room and you'll be able to join any that you want. Please come and chat. Remember, we don't have 5 million members yet, so no one's going to respond to you immediately, usually. Please just be patient and somebody will respond. But you notice we have conversations that are ongoing. And if there are new messages, when you click, it'll automatically take you to the bottom, so you don't have to scroll. Next, click on handbooks to help you with your dives. We have these resource handbooks. So if you want to become a scuba diver, view this handbook, read through everything, and it'll help you get to where you want to go. And the resources link is fantastic. It gives you all of these pre-certified links. We believe that we've already checked them out, and these are awesome resources to help you become a scuba diver. And we try to add about 2 new handbooks every month. Next is the events. You can click on events here. This is the admin view, so you can ignore that, but it'll show you all of the events that are coming up, and you can click on details. And then if you haven't been registered, there'll be a register button here, register. So we got 4 people signed up for this event. I'm telling you, if you attend these events, you're going to make friends very, very easily. And you can also see the ones that are upcoming right here on the homepage. You notice there are these 5 buttons up at the top: new post, certified dive, live chat, vote on new features, submit blog post. Also this BD Muse, read through this. It has the core tags. These are the ones that we use the most often. If you want to get inspired, just click that one. And voila, it'll give you all the posts that have recently been made with that tag. And we also give 5 random tags every time you reach the homepage to give you an idea of maybe something you can post about. If you have no idea what FP MENA is, click on it and voila, you see there are no posts yet. Oh, well then why don't you help the community by searching? FP means Fluency Project, so MENA must be a language. Do a Google or Bing or Baidu search for MENA language, find out some fun facts about it, and make the first post with that tag. And then you can help us increase our knowledge. That is basically the main stuff here. You can see we also have mail. So that shows you I have 8 new mail messages. If you want to send a message to somebody, if you see somebody who introduces himself or herself here, immediately go here, send private message and find that person. You can search like John, if there's John, etc. And send a welcome message. We all need to help one another because we want to get up to 100 active members. If you look down here, what are we at right now? 83 at the moment. We can get to 100 and beyond if you can help other members when they join. Welcome them, send them messages, respond to them. By the way, if you notice, I scrolled all the way down. We have the recent posts from the Breakdiving blog, the last 3, and recent dive certification posts on our WISE guidance blog too. So you can also check those out. That is basically it. Of course, if you can upgrade right here, that's wonderful. That means you'll give us $35 for the year. We'll give you some access to some cool features and you'll help support us and keep our servers up and all of that. So anyway, but obviously that is not required. We're not for profit and we're happy to help the world at no charge. But if you can support us, we'd certainly appreciate it. Well, that is about it. It's been about 10 minutes and I wanted to keep this video as short as possible. Please spend some time and just go over all of these. Just click everything you see. You're not going to really break anything. No, you're not going to break anything by just clicking things, and give it a try. And if you get into trouble, you can let us know. If you see this A here, that means admin. You're not going to see that on yours because you're probably not an admin, but everything else should look exactly the same. So thanks so much. Great to see all you guys. Can't wait to meet you in the community. Remember the Brake Divers Creed of no rules, no excuses, no regrets. I will share one more thing that I want you to check out, actually. Make sure you click on code and review this regularly. Remember the diver's code. You're a brake diver. These are the things that you need to live by. Don't give up. Don't get offended. Try to help. Keep your ego in check. And remember your member expectations, helping others, be nice to others, participate in the community. Don't use it as a dating site, etc. I'm going to create another video about these things in particular, but just to give you an idea, that's what this code is. Thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do so. Please leave a comment if this video helped you. And no rules, no excuses, no regrets. I am Dr. Monroe Man with Brake Diving. Can't wait to see you in the community. Bye.